vehicle that was coming at a high rate of speed that drove across the median on the other side of 57 and hit the semi head-on. We have one person in the vehicle that has perished. The truck driver was able to get out of the vehicle and is safe. We had a couple witnesses that observed what had occurred. So right now it's pretty clear-cut. The truck was containing paper, so there's no hazardous issues, there's no concerns with that. The emergency management agency, Mr. Tom Kelly, is handling the cleanup of what's going on here in the median. We've got one lane open westbound, so traffic will continue to move westbound. And at a certain point, we'll attempt to get one lane going eastbound as soon as we get our measurements done on the other side of the road. Okay?